Oh yeah. We going to Barcelona.
For real. Alright, so today's a special day. We're going to Barcelona. We're going to, I can't talk. We get a couple practice days with Barcelona or whatever, and then we get to be there for 2 weeks. I think it's 15 days or something. 14. I'm hyped though. Please hold on.
There's food areas everywhere.
Yeah. Why would it cost money?
Dude, this is a pro vlogger.
Yeah.
Literally going on YouTube.
Are you still vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. No, I wasn't vlogging this whole time. Just picked up some Pete's coffee.
Really?
Abby Cellstorm.
Just get in. You just gotta say. Hey, can I get a shout out?
No.
Oh.
Here you go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Where are you going? Where are we going? I don't know where I'm going.
I'm going to 31E. Oh, you got a remote? Oh, yo, charging port. It's so clutch. What's up, boys?
Free blankets, dude.
Just take them home.
This is the time of my life. What is this?
Dude, look at Eric. Look at Eric over there.
Earbud.
Oh.
Yo, this is the nicest plane. This is the nicest plane I've been on in my entire life. Like, no cap.
No cap. Alright, guys. I don't know if you can hear me, but I have 6 hours left, and then we'll be landing in London. And then after that, we have a flight to catch to Barcelona, and that will be our final destination. And yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so pumped. We're in London. It's 7 in the morning here.
7 in the morning.
Yeah!
Time to get some tea and crumpets.
We're literally in London.
We saw Trey in the dance. We're literally in London right now.
Okay. Yeah, stop. Biggest airport? Oh. Dude, why is this airport so big? Dude, they're gonna get so mad.
Just go.
Oh, they're raging. Dude, what if it takes us to like, oh my. Hey, we can say it was a more than 3-person decision, so. Yeah, you know, I lost my passport. Delayed like 45 minutes, whatever. We're going back home. I thought Sean was literally gonna kill me. The way he looked at me, like, no, dude. I was literally like, I took that like a man. I'm like, my bad.
So like, that's my fault.
Yeah,
it is your bad. This man right here,
That's
a real man.
No, I was like, that's my fault. And he was like, it's okay, accidents happen. And I was like, yeah, that's how I was born.
Accident. Oh my god.
Line of the lion.
No comment.
Hunter Kleinhoff. Carlos.
How do you freaking stop recording? I'm so dumb.
Dude, we made it to Barcelona.
We're actually here.
I know, it's so humid though. Alright guys, so we are now gonna go head out to eat, I think. Finally made a plan. And yeah, I'm exhausted, and as soon as I get food, maybe I won't pass out.
How you doing, Joe? How's your food?
It was great.
It was great? That's good. What'd you get?
A ham and cheese sandwich.
That sounds disgusting.
Some questions.
What did you get, Hunter?
Joe.
Oh, yes.
Joe, honest opinions, how do you feel that Abby still hasn't added you back?
Day two, Barcelona, Spain. Dude, in this 4-star hotel, we got all the food. Yeah, free food, you know? Orange, their food quality is so nice, and this place, just look at it, like, it's so nice. And all the design, like, you can see the culture and kind of differences in Spain that you don't see in America. I showered at 5:30 in the morning. Because I was too, like, not tired. All right, now we're playing on the park. Whoa! No cursing in the vlog. Yeah, don't curse. Come on, man. It's like 79 or 80 degrees here, but it feels like 90 because of the humidity. Like, we were just walking around, like, jogging, playing soccer, and we're literally sweating. It's crazy how hot it is over here. It's not like hot, but just super humid. I want to get something to eat.
The beach? That sounds good.
I'm not even hungry.
I'm hungry. All right, we just ordered. Brady's not eating anything because not hungry. You know, he had to order the sandwich thing. It looks like a hot dog, but yeah. And I ordered this, like, I forgot what it's called, but it's like cheese and stuff with, these are called chips here. Chips, not fries. I don't know how it's possible to own. Yeah, I know. You either have this yacht and don't have a life, a house, a family, or anything,
Or you're just
yeah,
filthy rich.
yeah, jeez, dude, all this Gucci, Louis Vuitton.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Dude, it's so real.
It's all authentic. If it's on the floor, authentic.
Look at this dude. He's jogging. Eric. Okay, Eric. Yeah, we just walked everything from
Like 6.5 hours.
yeah, of just walking. Low key dying. I'm dead, dude. Oh my god, I need to take a cold bath. Dude, you literally suck.
Dude, he didn't even pass the ball.
He dribbled through your whole team. Oh, score again, please. I dare. Oh.
Dude, how do you actually defend?
Doesn't know how to order looking.
This one, like, take off the avocado, lettuce, tomato, and onion. Avocado, lettuce, tomato, and onion. Like, don't have it.
Do you know how to order? 4 salmon cubes for how much? How much were they?
It was like $10.
10 euro? Alright guys, so today is day 2 in Barcelona. Super long, super tired, and honestly I just want to go to sleep. We walked for 6 hours and I didn't want to vlog everything because there's no way I'm vlogging that. As you can probably tell, I'm like super tired. But anyways guys, peace out. Day 2 is over.